Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That was so cool, but kind of creepy.
Yeah.
Let's go investigate what it is. Let's go. But little did we know what we were going against.
Let's go search. If I were a monster, where would I hide? Wait. Do you know where the monster is? Well, do you? Talk to us.
I was just walking by and I
Talk to
saw it. I'm
us.
so scared. I guess it's time to get serious now. Let's put on our spy clothes. Ready and... Wait.
Whoops.
This
Wrong
is the
outfit.
Restart. Okay, we're good. Wait. Now we're good. Let's go. Not here. Not under here.
Where could it be?
After it. Let's go, come on.
Where'd he go? Where the heck did he go?
He was over there. Wait a minute.
He just ran off again.
He was right there. Like literally, but then like ran up so fast.
What the heck?
Where's the lion? Oh, I took it outside.
You what?
Yeah. I bet he's fine. There's like a lot of traffic jams. It's on the news.
Well,
a lot of people. It's been,
another
like,
job
car
well
crashes.
done.
I'm sure he's fine.